Hi everyone, this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. So if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and like and follow me in this journey of stock investment. So I am new to this stock investment and I'm not expert on this one, but you can follow me and see what's happening in my stock portfolio. Anyway, I also included the link in the video description box for the link in Sharesies in case you wanted to join Sharesies and have some startup they are giving $5 startup on your wallet. At the same time, they will give a referral fee to me. Okay, so start with I will show you how to create the kids account, because if your kid is below 18 years old, so they cannot make their own Sharesies account. So in this way you can make it the account on your Sharesies. So I'll show you now. So under the Sharesies main page, there's like a settings. Click on settings, then here you can see create kids account. Click on this one. So make sure you have the IRD number of your kid, and then also the proof of identity like ID or passport. So try to do this now. Okay, so I'm a parent, so you can choose either one, but in this case I'm a parent. So for promo code, I don't have the promo code right now. His prepared name, then so using Kel, then next. So under kids account, work a little different. On adult account, you'll need to agree on the below to create one. Then to Sharesies kids terms and conditions, investment or money can only be withdrawn for the sole benefit of Kel. That when Kel reaches the transfer age, they'll be able to request control of the account and will be able to sell the investment and withdraw money. This age is defaulted to their 25th birthday. You can change these settings anyway. Okay, so try to click this one. So this is the term and condition, last updated August 2018. So you can read through this one. So the important thing is you can transfer this at this age, 18 to 25 years old. Okay. So fees, this one for the kids account, the fee is smaller than the adult account, because this one is only $15. For the adult account is $30, and also different. For the adult account, if you use the like a monthly subscription, this is like a $3 here and $1.50, between $50.01 and $3,000. So make sure the tax obligations are being paid. Okay, then just close this one. So I agree to that one. So I have read and agree. Next. So to invest, we do this by matching the info give us help by the government. So in this case, we'll use this one. So I'll write his name. Then give consent. Next. So this is we verified Kel. Then onwards. Does Kel live with you? Yes. Then next. RD number is 99. Some tips. And finish. That's it. Now it's 0-0. So then I will add some money to this account, and okay, that's it. And again, thank you for watching.